Classes are one of my favorite topics in programming. Classes let you create templates for your objects. They're like blueprints of a building. Let's say if you have a blueprint of a public library, you can use that blueprint to create a public library at location A, and then you can use the same blueprint to create a public library at location B. Classes act like blueprints. Let's take a smaller example. Let's say if you want to create a template, a blueprint of a door, then you're going to list down its properties like height, width, color, and state, if the door is open or closed. And if the door is functional, then you can list down its functions, like you can open the door, you can close the door, you can lock the door or unlock the door. Let's take another example. Let's say if you want to create a class of a motorcycle, then you're going to list down its properties like what type of motorcycle it is, what's the color of the motorcycle, and how much does it cost. And if the motorcycle is functional, then you can start the motorcycle, accelerate, apply brakes, you can turn, you can pass the direction as parameters like this, and finally you can stop the motorcycle. And once you have this template, then you can create multiple motorcycles using this template. Let's take a more live example. Let's say if you want to create a student, then you're going to list down its properties like student will have first name, last name, age, gender, and grades. And if the student is a good student, then they're going to read, write, and submit assignments. And using this template, you can create multiple students. Let's take a social network example. Let's say if you want to design a Facebook user, you list down their properties like first name, last name, email address, and phone number. And if the user is a regular user, then they're going to log in, post, comment, and log out. And this way you can convert anything around you into a class and create objects like that. That's the reason this is one of my favorite topics. Let's try to create a class in JavaScript and create objects for them.